Hello, my name is David. My favorite city, Bangkok. Eh, there is beautiful and lively city, Kayet, Bangkok. The capital hosts Thailandia. Activity you can do, you can visit one around and the Grand Palace. There are food of story. You can walk in Benhati Park to relax. At night, you can go to Thailand or Kamai for cool bar and fun place. Uh, where condition and there is a tropical climate and it is usually hot and humid. Eh, top three restaurant tenemos Jan Fate, que es there is famous street food and Nantes, there is Mother Steel Thai food. There are there are strong southern Thai flavor, and they are all in the city center. Uh, uh, Clothes to wear, you can wear like clothes like the cheer and short and sandal. Uh, Play to see Tachuche Merki, como you can buy souvenir and street food. Eh, in Yawarat, Chinatu, they are light and tasty food and night. Eh, Bangkok Art Biennale. You can see art and join workshop all over the city. Thank you.